Hi everyone, in this class I am going to explain you about the concept of apparent weight, students. Here apparent weight means, students, simply I will take one example to explain you about this apparent weight, students. Suppose a person of mass m standing on a weighing machine which is placed in a lift or an elevator. At that time, due to gravitational earth attraction acting on this person, the weight of the person applied on this weighing machine. Because of that, students, the weighing machine develops the normal reaction. That normal reaction gives to the reading of the weighing machine, students. Students, while calculating the reading of the weighing machine, if you want to measure that one in kilograms, you should write the reading W by G kgs. That means weight by normal reaction by G kgs, students. Before going to it, considering a person standing on the weighing machine which is placed on the surface of the earth. Here, the reading of the weighing machine shows is true weight, students. In this instant, acceleration is equal to 0 and due to gravitational earth attraction, weight of this person acts vertically downward and the normal reaction acts vertically upward, students. According to Newton's second law, we should write here normal reaction N is equal to mg. It is equal to his true weight, students. What is that? True weight. So in this instance, if you want to calculate the reading of the weighing machine in terms of kilograms, you must write reading R is equal to N by G kg, students. Mind it, students. If you want to calculate the reading of weighing machine in terms of kilograms, you should write R is equal to N by G kg, students. Here this normal reaction is equal to mg, which is equal to true weight of the person, students. Let us comes to here. In this instant, the person is standing on the weighing machine which is placed on the platform of a lift, students. In this instant, if the lift is moving upward or downward or at rest, considering here simple example, this lift is in rest position, students. So that we should draw the diagram for him. Mg downward due to gravitational force and the normal reaction which was shown by the weighing machine, that is the reading of the weighing machine N dash acting vertically in upward direction. According to Newton's second law, we can write here N is equal to mg, that is equal to apparent weight, students. Okay, in this instant, students, we should compare these two, original weight and the apparent weight, which is W dash, just assuming that. So in this case, apparent weight is equal to true weight, students. In this case, both apparent weight and the true weights both are equal, students. Okay, students, always do these two cases, these two weights, true weight or apparent weights, may or may not equal. I will explain these points clearly one by one. Let us see these following cases, students. Okay, see. In this first case, lift is at rest or moving uniformly in the upward or downward direction, students. Taking the lift here, this is weighing machine. Yes, this person stands on this weighing machine. Mass of the weighing machine is m, students. For that, here by taking the FBD of this person, FBD of man. Mg downward due to gravitational force, and normal reaction which is acting upward direction N dash, assuming that. Here A is equal to 0 because lift is at rest are moving with uniform acceleration. According to Newton's second law, F net is equal to ma, students. From this F net driving force, that is n dash minus mg is equal to 0 because acceleration is 0. So n dash is equal to 0, students. Okay, this is apparent weight, students. This apparent weight as compared to the true weight, both are equal. This is apparent weight. This apparent weight and the true weight both are equal here. True weight is equal to apparent weight in this condition. Already told you true weight, about true weight, students. True weight is nothing but a normal reaction which is developed by the weighing machine. Right, students? If you want to measure this normal reaction in terms of kilograms, here you can write by g, acceleration due to gravity, then it can be converted into kilograms, students. Okay, yes. Let's see case number 2, students. Here lift moving up at a rate a, that means it moves upward with an acceleration a, students. Here we should calculate the apparent weight which is normal reaction developed by the weighing machine. First of all, we should draw the FBD of the person or the man. FBD of man, students. Assuming mass of the man and mg downward due to gravitational force, and upward is normal reaction, just assuming that n dash, and here a is moving upward direction, students. Now here according to Newton's second law, F net is equal to ma, students. For here driving force minus opposing force is equal to ma. From this we can write n dash is equal to mg plus ma, or n dash is equal to m of g plus a, students. This is the apparent weight of the man in a lift. As compared to the true weight, it is more, students. Already know that true weight of the man is equal to mg, but apparent weight is mg plus ma here. By taking the m common, m of g plus a, students. In this instant we can say that, or we can conclude that apparent weight of the man is more than real weight or true weight, students. Okay, yes. See here case 3, students. Lift moves down at a rate a, means it moving downwards with an acceleration a, students. Here also we can calculate the apparent weight, students, which was shown by the weighing machine. First of all, we should draw the FBD of man. So considering the block of mass m, downward mg, students, due to gravity, and upward normal reaction n dash, block moves downward because of that a indicates the downward direction, students. So here we can write the equation by using Newton's second law. F net is equal to ma. Here driving force is mg, students, and opposing force n dash is equal to ma. From this n dash can be written as mg minus ma. Taking m is common, here m of g minus a, students. Already we know that true weight, students, true weight of the man is equal to mg. As compared to this true weight, it is less. This is apparent weight. This apparent weight as compared to true weight is less, students. So that we can write here the condition apparent weight is less than true weight, students. Okay. See, students see this case 4. If the supporting cable of the lift breaks, do you know lift having a supporting cable, it helps to the lift to move upward or downward direction, students. That supporting cable is breaks here. At that time, this complete entire the system acts as like a freely falling body, students. Freely falling body means acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity g, students. So that here we can write the FBD of this man to get the normal reaction FBD of man. Here, students, taking mg downward and normal reaction n dash upward, a is equal to g downward direction, students. So that here we can write according to Newton's second law, F net is equal to ma, and here F net is driving force minus opposing force is equal to m into a is g, students. Now from mg minus this mg can be transferred from right side of the equation to the left side, that is negative. So mg is equal to n dash. Therefore n dash is equal to 0 because mg minus mg is 0. Here in this case, the contact between the man and the weighing machine is lost, students. Because of that, normal reaction is 0. So weighing machine reading is also 0, students. So that in this instant we should compare the apparent weight is less than true weight, students. True weight is n is equal to true weight. N is equal to mg. Apparent weight is 0 here. Apparent weight is 0. So that as compared to these two instants, apparent weight is less than true weight. We can write like this, students. Okay. Okay, students, see, in this case, lift is decelerating down. It moves downward, students, but decelerates means speed gradually decreases, students. That means downward having the negative acceleration. At this condition, the reading of the weighing machine is equal to how much? Since from the relation we know that when the lift is moving downward direction, at that time we can calculate the normal reaction n is equal to when it moves downward m of g minus a. Already explain you this in case 3, students. From this, a can be substituted here. N dash is equal to m of g minus of minus a, student. So n dash is equal to m of g minus of minus a plus. So this is apparent weight as compared to the true weight. True weight, do you know, students, true weight of the man is equal to mg. Okay, as compared to this true weight of the man, in this case also, true weight is less than apparent weight. That means apparent weight is more than the true weight, students. Okay, see this. Students, see case 6, lift is decelerating up at a rate a. We already calculated in case number 2, students. If the lift is moving upward direction, since from the relation case 2 already calculated this relation, n is equal to m of g plus a, students. So here m of g plus of minus a, students. Finally we can get here m of g minus a. This relation already explained in case 2. Whenever a lift moves upward with an acceleration a, then that time we should write this. It is decelerating. Decelerating means negative acceleration. Instead of plus a, we should write minus a. Then we get this relation, students. Here, comparing the apparent weight is less than true weight, students. Okay, so